troubleshooting an F3 error code on an LG range. If your LG range is beeping and an F3 error code appears on the control panel display, this indicates an open oven sensor. To resolve the issue, you'll need to reset the range. To do this, first press the clear/off button on the control panel to stop the unit from beeping. Next, go to the circuit breaker or fuse box for the house. Turn off the breaker or fuse supplying the range for 1 to 2 minutes to allow the power to discharge completely. After the allotted time has passed, turn the breaker or fuse back on. This will reset the range and clear the code. If the F3 code returns, the unit will require repair service. To schedule, please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.